Hey guys, today we're making the most delicious carrot cake recipe you'll ever have. This recipe is so amazing and is so simple to make. It's so delicious and has the perfect flavors to it. It's soft and has the perfect taste to it with the spices that you put inside. You definitely won't go back to buying your carrot cake ever again. Okay, so we're gonna start off by putting the oil and your eggs into a bowl. To this, you're gonna add in your brown sugar. Now, this brown sugar is very important as it gives the cake a good flavor. Make sure you don't use white sugar for this recipe. Then you're gonna beat this with your electric mixer for around 5 minutes. This will make it nice and light and fluffy and will add in a bit of air into it. Once it's light in color, you can add in your carrot. Now make sure you grate this coarsely and not super fine. And your chopped pecans. Then, then you're gonna sift in the dry ingredients. Now make sure you don't skip this step as it is very important. Once you're done sifting that all together, you can add in your baking soda and your mixed spice. Now this is most important as it gives the carrot cake a good flavor. Then you can add in your vanilla and mix this together. You can mix this together simply with a spatula. Then you're going to take your loaf pan. Now make sure you line this with some baking paper and pour your batter into it. Now if you do have some leftover batter, you can pour it into another tray. Just smooth out the top. Here I have another small baking tray and I'm going to pour my leftover batter into this. And once again, spread it out. Then you're going to bake these in your oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 45 minutes at first. Cover this loosely with a foil and after 45 minutes, take it off and bake for an additional 15 minutes. Do keep an eye on it and make sure it doesn't burn. Once it's out of the oven, give it plenty of time to cool and then you can spread over your cream cheese frosting. Slice it and then serve. This is definitely the best carrot cake you'll ever have. It's so soft in the middle as you can see and has the perfect color to it. It's so amazing to eat and you'll definitely won't stop making this once you try it out. It has the perfect flavor with the spices that we added in and you definitely won't stop eating this. Make sure you give this recipe a try and let me know how it goes. It's definitely so delicious. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a giant thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next video.